Hello everyone! Today I'm making stuffed peppers. This is very easy to make and it's delicious. For this recipe I'm using ground beef, but you can use any kind of ground meat you like. I'm also using brown rice, red onions, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, a can of tomato sauce, and some peppers. You can use any kind of peppers you like. So what you want to do in the beginning is go ahead and mix this ground beef with the onions, with the rice. You can use any kind of rice you want. Season it, some garlic powder, pepper, some salt, okay, so the meat is all mixed with the rice and the onions and all the spices. I'm gonna put it on the side for now, and I'll show you what we do with these peppers. So you take each pepper, and then you go ahead and cut with a sharp knife the tip of it, and just scoop that out. Make it look like this. So now we're gonna take each pepper and we're gonna stuff it with this meat. Go ahead, just press it in. Now the peppers are all in the pan. What I'm gonna do, grab this tomato can, and pour all over it. And then I have a bottle of water. I'm gonna pour some water, because I like to have some sauce when they are done baking. And this depends how much sauce you want. You can put more or less water, as much as you desire. So now the peppers are ready to go in the oven. I preheated the oven at 400, and they're gonna bake for about 2 hours. So what you wanna do, grab some foil, cover the pan, and then bake. Okay, the peppers are done. I just took them out of the oven. They cooked for about 2.5 hours, and they just look delicious. They taste so good, and I'll show you what I like to put on mine. I have some chopped dill, and I just like to sprinkle some on top for extra flavor. You have to try this recipe. It's very, very delicious. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye-bye.